A Mulan cake. Yes, today we're creating a double-sided Mulan cake. I'm excited about this. Hi everyone, my name is Christina Aguilera. Welcome to Koalipops. Let's get started. So I'm starting off with my basic PVC pipe stand. You know it. I create all of my cakes like this. You've seen it. You've seen it a million times. I've done it a million times already. So we got 4-inch cakes for the bottom for her body, and then we got 6-inch round cakes, half dome cakes for her head. I created this cake back when Mulan was originally going to be released, so it's my first time looking at the footage from like 3 months ago. So this is like pretty brand new to me. The basic steps are the same in the beginning of these cakes. You know, I add the top and then I start to carve away the body so I can give Mulan a nice neck, you know? She's a little bit pudgy because that's how all these characters are. That's what makes them really cute. So after I finished carving her body, I gave her a crumb coat and then I started to add fondant to her face. So I'm gonna cover her face first, and I'm gonna cover her face with 2 pieces of fondant for the front and the back. And the reason I'm doing it in 2 pieces is because sometimes if you cover the whole circle, the bottom of the fondant puckers and it looks like she's got like an old lady chin. I don't want that for Mulan, so that's why I'm doing it this way. There is a seam, but I'm gonna be able to hide it with her hair. I'm gonna add some fondant to create her neck, and then I'm gonna start to create her wardrobe. So I wanted to make what she was wearing at the beginning of the animated film. So we're going with a little bit of yellow. We got some leafy green going on as well. And then some blue to wrap her stomach. I don't know, is this a corset? I wasn't sure. But she's still looking pretty pudgy, so I don't know if it's hiding anything. It's okay, Mulan. Don't be ashamed of that pudge. You do you, girl. Yes, queen, yes. And once I finished with her like normal people clothes, I turned my cake around and started to work on her armor. The reason I didn't have more cake here is because I needed to make sure I added boots, so we got 2 fondant boots just going on underneath the cake. I really like this look on her. The red looks nice. It kind of looks like a dress, even though it's not. It's just very flowy at the bottom. And the silver armor that she just keeps on her waist, ooh, I'm feeling it. After I finished her armor, it was time to work on her hair. So I'm just paneling black fondant on the sides to create her hair. Oh my gosh, I always feel so amazed when I'm watching footage from the past. It's like unbelievable. That's me? I'm doing that? How? When? When did that happen? Who am I talking to? Ooh, and then I started adding that armor on the side. I really love this. It just looks stunning on her. And then I started to add all of the features on her face. Okay, look. I added a little strand of hair to make it look a little disheveled. Oh, that's right. Her warrior side is mean because you don't want to mess with Mulan. Alright, she's been through so much. Her dad is sick. She's pretending to be a boy. She had to join the military. Oh, she's going through a lot. Don't mess with her. She's ready to fight you. Oh, those eyelashes look nice on the normal side. How come on the angry side the eyelashes look almost like eyebrows that are like too close to her eyes? How do I feel about that? I don't know. Oh, I really wanted her to look menacing, even though she's so cute. Nobody believes you. You look cute even when you're angry. It's like a puppy that's barking at you. I really wanted to incorporate the anime vein. You know when an anime character gets very angry, they have that like vein popping out of their forehead. I wanted to incorporate that here since this is extremely cartoony. And I thought it would be like a really small detail, but it elevates this cake so much. Now we got her catch lights going on to the cute side. Now I think I added cheek detail too. Did I add some? Oh yeah, see. She got a little bit of blush going on, you know, because she's looking for a husband, going to the matchmaker looking for a husband. Oh, and I even gave her a flower too. Now I'm curious, is this flower accurate for the region of China where she's from? Probably not, since it's just a fondant cutter. And I remember that the last thing I did on this cake was add sprinkles. I'm really inspired by Sherry Wilson on Instagram. Her sprinkle game is so strong. I want my sprinkle game to be this strong. And voila, my Mulan cake was complete. What do you think? I love it. I did such a good job. Good job 3 months ago, you. Now I'm gonna be moving into Halloween stuff because Halloween is my favorite season. I don't care, it's September. We've been going through COVID. I'm gonna do whatever it takes to make me happy. I'm curious, what character would you like to see me create next in a double-sided cake? I've been getting requests to do an avatar cake. I don't really know anything about avatar, so one side's gonna be avatar and the other side's gonna be that like cow, flying cow, six leg flying cow thing. I'm sorry, I don't know. This is probably very offensive to some Avatar fans. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love you guys. I'll see you very soon. Peace.